Hey everyone, welcome to Imagine Wealth, and this is our new YouTube channel. As you can see, it's a new upgraded video now. So we're gonna start. Basically, the Nasdaq today, it actually finished in a positive territory. The market was good this week. Hopefully it stays like this, but it's basically the market is stabilizing. That's what's happening. Now, in other news, one big thing that's happening is the stagflation. Every single price is going up, especially oil, and that's mainly because of what's happening with Russia and Ukraine, and also the fact that Russia is no longer in part of the market, and there are so many sanctions going on. Now, also another news is the Fed has raised interest rate by at least a quarter. Now, because of this, since it's being increased a quarter, this will affect student loans, car payments, credit cards, but we don't know what. So we'll see where the future is going to be. Now, a quarter is potentially a lot, so the Federal Reserve raised interest rate by a quarter. Okay, just imagine a full dollar to a quarter. It sounds simple enough, but if you put it in the bigger picture, it is a lot. And what makes it even worse is actually we don't know what areas are going to be affected because of this. Now we're going to have a little updates of what's happening in Ukraine, because it's also going to affect the market, especially oil prices, materials, goods, everything that Russia used to export. Now, a couple of good news is that the Russian army is running out of trucks for its war in Ukraine. And I'll say this because Ukraine army and sister service has destroyed no fewer than 485 Russian trucks. That's more than a tenth of the Russian trucks that belong to the Russian army. Yeah, that's big numbers. This will also affect the war and influence everything that's going on. And another news, also part of Ukraine, is we're going to give a little list of the weapons that Ukraine is getting from the US and other countries. Now, the Biden administration said that Wednesday it will send at least 100 tactical and named aerial systems to Ukraine. This will include drones and other materials. One notorious system called secretive weapon known as a kamikaze drone or killer drone that fly in the target and then detonates, as well as stingers. It's about 800 stingers anti-aircraft missiles. Germany also sent 500 stingers, which is part of the European Union. Also 500 million on lethal weapons purchased to Ukraine. Javelins as well from the US. It will send 2,000 javelins, anti-tank missiles, and 7,000 more anti-armor weapons. Body armors from the US shipments also include 25,000 helmets and body armor set pieces, and Japan supply helmets and non-lethal equipment to Ukraine. The Czech Republic also supply 40,000 arms to Ukraine. Canada sent machine guns, rifles, surveillance equipment, and Australia sent 50 million in equipment including missiles and other type of equipment. This will definitely influence the war in Ukraine and will definitely affect the market as well, because it could come to an end. Trying to be positive here. Another news is also some Indian central banks will close door in crypto. That's definitely going to affect crypto, Dogecoin. I have Dogecoin right here, but it's definitely going to affect crypto overall. So keep an eye on that. Now, after this, we're closing up. This whole week, the whole market was actually really positive. The Dow finished in 0.80%, the Nasdaq 2.05%, and the S&Q 1.17%. And they all closed in the positive territory. So now all I can say is just please subscribe and stay tuned for the next video that's coming on Sunday. And it's going to give you a little update of our predictions for next week. Thank you for watching and subscribe.